Hey guys, Ruby Blue here, and since we're in self-isolation I've decided to keep as fit as I can and keep improving those fitness goals. So I've decided to run the beep test 3 times over a 6-day period, so beep test, day break, and see how I go. And my goal is to get the firefighter fitness test, which is 9.6. So I'm really hoping I can get that or beat that. It's going to be hard. I'm sort of regretting why I chose this, but I'm excited. So I'd love if you would follow my journey and hit the little notification bell and hit the subscribe button. Starting from the cone here and the cone here. And I've set up my own little speaker. And
the multi-stage fitness test will start in 5 seconds. Start level 1.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny.
Level 4, 7.
My tongue tied up on it, and I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding. 'Cause you got me holding.
Level 6, 10. Start level 7, 1. Level 7, 2. Level 7, 3.
alright, so that's day 1.
'Cause you got me holding. And I'll be running, possessed by a low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on a full moon. And we're stuck in a la-la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding. 'Cause you got me
Level 8, 3. Level 8, 4. Start level 9, 1. Level 9, 2. Level 9, 3.
It's a good improvement.
Level 9,
2 whole
4.
levels. I'm so happy. Day 2 over.
play me like a bass guitar, simmer down and mess me up, tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. And I drive me around in your red Ford, shivers down my spinal cord. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause you got me holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it.
Start level 9, 1. Level 9, 2. Level 9, 9. Level 9, 10. Level 9, 11. Start level 10, 1. Level 10, 2.
Wow, that is my goal.
Level 10,
I got level 10.
3.
I think that accepts me into the fire brigade, and oh, I'm so happy with that. It's the best I've ever run. Good luck, guys, with your adventure.